In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create and display Instagram style stories on your WordPress website using the WP Stories plugin. This is a super engaging way to share quick updates, behind the scenes content or even announcements with your audience in a more visual and interactive format. Alright, let's get started. Once you have installed and activated the WP Stories plugin, head over to your activity page and go to add story. Now add story link text. Now link for your text. Add image. From here you can set durations. Once your story is published, it will appear just like an Instagram story on your site with a circular thumbnail and smooth transition and an impressive full screen viewer. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to General Settings. Here you can set the front-end view for your stories like Square, List or Instagram. Here are some more features for the stories like navigation arrows, cube effect. You can on and off these settings from this part of the setting. So whether you are building a blog, community or e-commerce site, WP Stories add the modern social media vibe your user already love and expect. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now ready to engage visitors with quick tappable stories just like the big platform do. Thanks for watching and have fun creating WP Stories.